That's a lot of black smoke there. I think something went wrong with the microwave. Just a guess. Welcome back to Noah's Kitchen. If you're wondering why I'm being really quiet right now, it's because it's like 2:30 in the morning and I have neighbors and I don't want to wake them up. So, we've got some rocket fuel and we've got a microwave. Of course, we have some finish nails to help spark the rocket fuel. So, let's get some of the microwave here. First, we got to put the finish nails in. So let's gunpowder on it. This will be fun. Try a little bit at first and then we'll put a lot in, okay? That's how much rocket fuel I have in there, just that little pile. Let's try it out. Oop. I think the glass plate broke. Made a bit of smoke here. I don't know if you can see all of that. That is all the smoke from the rocket fuel. And it broke the glass plate. Let's get a closer look at that. So, the rocket fuel broke the glass plate, and it was just a little bit. So, I guess we gotta get this glass plate out of here and put a bunch in, a bunch of rocket fuel, and try it out. Put the rest of this rocket fuel. That's about a cup and a half of rocket fuel. That's a lot of black smoke there. I think something went wrong with the microwave. Just a guess. I think I killed it. It might blow up too. I should be careful. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, it kind of melted the microwave door. Oh gosh. Wow. Melted the inside of the microwave too. All this black smoke. That was actually a lot cooler than I thought it would be. Look at that just burning in there. Whew. Stuff doesn't taste very good. Well, I might need to find a new microwave. This was a tough microwave. I'm gonna see if I can get it to run again, but I don't think that's gonna be possible. Look out the side there. Man, everything's just kind of like burned. Even the wood underneath the microwave is burned, and the door like doesn't even close. Alright guys, thanks for watching Destroy Everything. Make sure you come back, check for more videos. If I don't see you guys again before Christmas, I probably will, but if I don't, have a great Christmas, celebrate Jesus' birthday, and have a great time with your family. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.